MCQ of Excel part 4. So first we will go through question number 16. Press to bring up search box. Answer will be shift plus F5. Then 17. To create a chart in Excel, we have to press F11. In Excel, which shortcut key is to open save dialog box? F12. And Ctrl S is used to save. And workbook can be closed using Ctrl C, Ctrl E, Ctrl W. Next is while selecting multiple worksheets in Excel, must also be used Ctrl when clicking the Sheet tab. Workbooks can be easily switched using Ctrl plus tab. MS Excel file cannot be directly exposed as PPT, PDF, text, CSV, PPT. In Excel, data can be sorted using filter function, which is the shortcut key to highlight the enter column. Ctrl C, Ctrl Enter, Ctrl Page Up, Ctrl Spacebar, Ctrl Spacebar. What is the shortcut key to highlight the entire row? Shift plus C, Shift plus Enter, Shift plus Spacebar, Shift plus Page Up. Answer would be Shift plus Page Up. To select all rows and column in the worksheet, press Ctrl A, Ctrl E, Ctrl 3, Ctrl S. Correct answer will be Ctrl A. What do you mean by workspace? A group of worksheet, group of workbooks, group of column, group of row, group of workbooks. What is an example of function? A1 plus A2 equal to A1 plus A2 equal to add A1 plus A2 equal to sum A1 colon A2. Correct answer will be sum A1 colon A2. Which tab you will find auto sum button? Formatting tab, clipboard tab, formulas tab, standard tab. Correct answer will be C, formulas tab. Next question is, by default the cell content alignment is text right alignment, number left alignment, text line alignment, number right alignment, centrally aligned, left aligned. Correct answer will be text left alignment and number right alignment. To minimize the currently selected window, you have to press Ctrl F9, Ctrl F10, Ctrl F11, Ctrl F12, Ctrl F9. To maximize the correct window, we have to press Ctrl F9, F10, F11, F12, F10. To display the open dialog box, you have to press Alt O, Escape O, Ctrl O, Tab O. Ctrl O would be the correct answer. In Excel, which is used to perform undo operation? Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl X, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Which of the following method cannot be used to edit the content of a cell? By Alt key, by pressing F2 key, by double clicking the cell, clicking the formula bar, by pressing the Alt key. Formatting a cell in currency, you can specify by decimal place, currency symbol, both, none. Both of them are the correct answer. A feature that displays only data in column according to specified criteria, formula, filtering, sorting, pivoting. This correct answer will be filtering. Statistical calculations and preparations of table and graphs can be done using Excel, Notepad, PowerPoint, Adobe Photoshop. The correct answer would be Excel. What are the features of MS Excel? Data sorting, data filtering, built-in formula, all of these are correct answer. What are the basic of math operation in Excel? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, all of the above will be the correct answer. Which is the following is the MS Excel file format? .xls, .xlsn, both, none. The right answer will be A, .xlsx. The main use of Excel include data entry, data management, charting and graphing, all of the above. Right answer will be all of the above. Which of the following is not example of a value? A645, B450, C June 5, 2014, serial number 12345. Serial number 1.12345 will be the correct answer. Next, in Excel, which function checks whether a condition is true or not? If, sum, count, average. If will be the correct answer. A greater than is an example of logical operator, arithmetic operator, conditional operator, none of the above. Logical operator. What do you use to create a chart? Pie wizard, data wizard, Excel wizard, chart wizard. Correct answer will be chart wizard. Next, which one denoted a range from B1 through E9? B1 colon E9, B1 minus E9, B1 to E9, B1 $E9, B1 colon E9. Next question, which of the following component displays the content of active cell? A menu bar, B name box, C formula bar, D status bar. Right answer will be C formula bar. Which function adds all the values of cell in the argument? Add, sum, both, none. B sum. You know that answer. A worksheet is a collection of cells where you keep and manipulate the data. A yes, B no, C maybe, cancel. Correct answer will be yes. Who is the father of MS Excel? James Gosling, Guido van Rossum, Charles Simonil, none of the above. Correct answer will be C, Charles Simonil. What are the advantages of MS Excel? Best way to store data, you can perform calculation, both, none of them. Correct answer will be both A and B. You can do best way to store data and you can perform calculation. Next question, what are the advantages, disadvantages of MS Excel? Calculation error, cost of entry, both, none of these. Then disadvantage of MS Excel is calculation error and cost of entry, both. So correct answer will be C. Which shortcut key opens the go to dialog box? F2, F5, Ctrl B, Ctrl Shift plus F5 will be the correct answer. Which tab has wrap text feature in MS Excel 2019? View, Insert, Home, Formulas. Right answer will be C, Home. Which of the following identifies a cell in Excel? Formula, address, name, label. Address will be the correct answer. Which term is used to join the selected cell into one cell? Add, merge, combine, all of the above. Merge would be the correct answer. Which of the following is not a valid function in MS Excel? A sum, B count, C subtract, D count A. Sum, count and count A are valid function, only subtract is not the valid function. So correct answer will be subtract. In Excel, formulas are made up of only symbols, function, arithmetic operators, arithmetic operator and function. Correct answer will be arithmetic operators and function. Next question, active cell on Excel sheet is represented by a dotted border, a blinking border, a dark white border, none of these. A dark white border will be the correct answer. So default column width of Excel 5.5, 2.98, 6.49, 8.43. 8.43 is the correct answer. In business, importance of Microsoft Excel is are tracking cell trends, for work scheduling, managing customer data, all of the above the correct answer. Which is the shortcut key used to copy the selected cell in MS Excel? Ctrl A, Ctrl B, Ctrl C, Ctrl D. Correct answer will be Ctrl C. Display and find replace terminal, so you have to press Alt F, Ctrl F, Tab F, Escape F. Correct answer will be Ctrl F. Which shortcut key is to use and insert a new worksheet? Alt Shift F1, Alt Shift F2, Alt Shift F3, Alt Shift F4. Alt Shift F1 will be the correct answer. Which creates a chart of data in the current range? Control F1, Control plus Alt plus F1, Escape plus F1, Alt plus F1. Alt plus F1 is the correct. To open the Excel format, only you have to press Shift F3, Shift F4, Shift F5, Shift F7. Correct answer will be Shift F3. 70. Which of the following Excel charts represent only one value for each variable? Pie chart, bar chart, line chart, function chart. Pie chart will be the correct answer. Which type of chart is useful for showing trends or changes over time? Pie chart, line chart, column chart, dot graph. Correct answer will be line chart. Which type of chart is useful for comparing parts of a whole? Pie chart, line chart, column chart, dot chart. Pie chart. Which of the software contains one column is called drawing, database, spreadsheet, work process? Spreadsheet is the right answer. Which key is used for help in MS Excel? F1, F2, F10, Windows plus H. F1 will be the correct answer. So that is all for this video.